Okay, in the graph shown to the left, we have segments BC and AC parallel to the x and y axes, respectively. And is the ratio of the length of AC equal length of AC to the length of BC equals to 1? So really, what it's asking is AC equals BC? Question mark. Let's find out. One thing we can tell before we even hit the statements is that because this is parallel to the y-axis, because AC is parallel, it's going to have the same x coordinate value. Point C is going to have the same x coordinate value as point A. So whatever this point is, it's going to be L for the first value. And because BC is parallel to the x-axis, it's going to have the same y value. It's going to, because it's exactly lined up with point B, slope of 0, its second point is going to be R. So if we can find these, we actually should be able to determine whether we should be able to do distance formula or just subtract to figure out whether these are the same. So Q equals -2 and R equals -4. So it gives us this point as -2, -4. Which isn't enough. It does tell us that, well, actually it doesn't really tell us anything. So statement 1, insufficient on its own because it only gives us one of the points. So it's not A and it's not D. Statement 2 gives us L and M. It gives us this point as 3 and 1. And we have to pretend for a second that we don't have this information. We still only have one of the 2 points. So statement 2 is not it. And we are left looking at the 2 statements together. The 2 statements together, we can tell that point C here is 3 and -4. From this, we can actually just compute the distances by comparing the values. So this point A is 1 above the x-axis, and point C is 4 below the x-axis for a total distance of 5. Point B is 2 to the right, 2 to the left of the y-axis, and point C is 3 to the right. So -2 on the one side, or a distance of 2 on the one side and 3 on the other, makes BC a distance of 5. So they each have a distance of 5. AC equals BC. The 2 statements together are sufficient to tell us yes. The ratio of AC to BC would be 1. Both statements together are sufficient.